Okay, let's see how we introduce the parts that we need for each complete that we have been bought. Once you have confirmed the complete is automatically given to you. So from the card you already push the request button, so the card has been complete. You receive one message saying that this card is from you. Then here in your account you should go here to the parts instructions, and you will see the pending units that you have for introducing the parts that you need. So we come here and we will see that we already introduced parts for this car, but we have two new cars to introduce the parts that we need. So we come here to the first car. It takes a little bit. So we can see the car, and here you can select the plan that you want for this car. So you can select how you want to dismantle it. For example, for some cars that we have papers, we can make an export certificate. In that case, it will be used car. The basic plan is nose-cut, and then you have a half-cut plan. If you need, for example, body shell, or you need chassis, or you need cabin cut, you will have to come here to the personal plan. So let's do things easy, and let's start by the basic plan. So we click here, then you can select if you want to wrap the parts or not. Here you will see there is an extra fee for each plan. So for example, we want to wrap all the parts. Then we select for this filter, for this premium, we select the basic plan and we want the wrapping. So we start the instruction. So here we come, and those are all the parts that are included in this plan. So for example, this car, we can see it is a two-wheel drive, so there is no propeller shaft, so we delete. And actually there is no rear axle chassis because there is rear housing. So all the parts that you need, that you don't need, for example, we don't need the rear seat, so we skip. Or for example, if you want some extra parts that are not included on this plan, you can also select. You can see here front bumper chassis, but here it is included the nose cut. So that means if you want that completely dismantled, there is an extra fee more. So you can select from here. But I want the nose cut, so I let the nose cut. Here, for example, exteriors. This is everything like extra. Basically, you have everything included in the plan, but there are like especially some rear side cuts or roof cuts or tail cuts that are not included, so you will have to select some extra fee. But in my case, I'm happy with all those parts, so I'm not missing anything else, so I confirm. So here it is the last confirmation, so I can see again the basic plan, the wrapping fee, all the parts that I select, and the total price that became for this car here in the total price. So I order. When I place the order, I cannot cancel it. So this we are gonna dismantle the car as you select. If you forgot any part or you have any special request, please contact with your salesperson in charge, and we will do as you need. So here you can see, thank you for your instruction. So we back to the parts instruction, and we can see that right now there is just one car, that it is the next one to introduce the parts that we need.